What's going on, guys? This video for K-Math is probably not gonna be like our normal videos, but it's just gonna be more of like a financial economics type video. I'm just gonna go over really good space stocks and ETFs. So yeah, it's gonna be it's kind of like I'm researching this by myself, but I sort of decided to make a video on it because I really don't have a lot of ideas today to make good videos for K-Math. So yeah, I recently made a lot of SAT um and machine learning and like programming videos, but this video is just gonna be on like uh good financial decisions or like long term investments to make with for the stock market. This is not gonna be it's not these are not really S&P 500 companies. A few of them are, but I'm just gonna go over some really good long term investment companies for space. So if you're into like space and exploration, this should be a good video, an interesting video. Yeah, so I'm gonna look at a bunch of different websites right here. So I'm gonna go to money.usnews.com, and then I have some Saks.com and investors.com. So I'm gonna look at some really good space stocks and ETFs. Um, yes, yeah. So yeah, just reading this, I'm looking at these different companies. So Aerojet Rocketdyne, so it's a company that makes makes it apparently easier to get into space. That's what this company is about. It's more of like rockets. Okay, let's learn more about this company right here. We already have SpaceX and NASA, and there's another and Blue Origin obviously, and there's many more uh rocketeer companies. I recently researched about a rocketeer uh company in Texas which is doing really well. So I'm not sure about this one, but this does look like it's good. Hopefully they're not just displaying false information, and hopefully um they're actually producing like really cool rockets. The stuff looks like it's all obviously graphics. Like this picture is probably the only real picture of the rocket thrusters, rocket motor. However, these are not real pictures. Okay, this might be a real picture. Not sure. So let's see about who they are. So it's a world recognized aerospace and defense leader providing propulsion. Okay. Let's see how they're doing in the market right now. Okay. Just look for the last 5 years. So they've been doing not too good, but yeah, it's an upward. It's looking like an upward trend. Wow, they dropped a lot during COVID. That's not good. Obviously, everyone dropped during COVID. So right now their price is 47 US dollars, and which is might be overpriced. I don't know actually. A lot of tech companies right now are overpriced, overvalued, but this company seems to be doing fine. But for a long term investment, might not be a really this might not be a bad choice. It might be a pretty good choice for long term investment for a long term investment. But looking at today, uh, for day traders, this is really good for day traders actually, for like if they want to invest a really high amount of money. Looking at this graph, it did spike down during during the noon time by a lot. Went down by almost, wow, it went down by like a few 10 cents right there, which might seem like a really small amount of money, but if you're investing a lot of money into this, you can make some bank right here. Okay, let's see some other companies. North Grumman Corp. With a 51 billion market cap, okay. So I think this is more of like an aeronautics company more than a space company, but looks like they're kind of like, okay, so life extending services to other spacefaring companies. This looks pretty cool. I'm not really interested in these companies. I don't really see, okay, it's not like I don't believe in these companies, but I'm not really interested in it. I don't see anything really fascinating about these companies. They're not really something that's new, something that's really gonna really innovative. So we got Nokia. Oh yeah, let's see how Nokia's doing right now. Nokia's heading to the moon. Okay. The contract is okay. So let's see how Nokia is doing right now. Let's look at Market Watch right here. Okay, so Nokia is in a really bad trend today. Today it's not doing like, let's go 3 years. Wow, Nokia has been doing really bad. This year, Nokia has been doing really bad. Let's go ahead. Okay, Market Watch is not. See something else. Yeah, Nokia is probably not the best company to really invest in. I don't really see it. Actually, right now I feel like it's kind of low. It might be a decent idea to trade Nokia, but I don't know about a long-term investment for it. Because Nokia hasn't really been making really cool tech products, but when it comes to space and exploration, they might do well maybe. Not sure though. Okay, so this is a company I was really researching about, and it's called Virgin Galactic. So you know Virgin Atlantic, which is an airline, commercial airline business. Virgin they recently started Virgin Galactic, which is really on like space exploration and space tourism, really. So yeah, they have a price of $250,000 to go into space, which is really really cool, and I'm thinking of probably investing in this. Probably a good like $250 for this maybe as to start off with. Let's go ahead and just search up the stock and see how it was doing. Wow, so it's been doing bad today, but let's go look at 5 years. Wow, okay. So the big spike, 2021, and it's on. Wow, it was probably overvalued then, but I think today is a really good day to actually invest into Virgin Galactic, because researching more about the company, I think so. Virgin Galactic still has 700 million in cash as of the third quarter. It hopes to put passengers into space by 2021. That said, at this point, while Virgin Galactic is one of the best space stocks to watch, it's still a moonshot. That's true. Let's look at Virgin Galactic. Let's look at a video of this.
By the end of this century, I hope that hundreds of thousands of people will have had the chance of becoming astronauts. If you go back 100 years, if people could have dreamt that, we'd all be sitting here today talking about the things we're talking about, I think they would have thought it was science fiction. and science fiction was a long way ahead of real life, and now we've caught up with it.
Okay, here we go, guys.
And I suspect there's things that are going to happen that nobody's even conceived of yet by the turn of the century that will shatter our perceptions today if we knew about them.
We're just human beings sharing one planet. The only way we are going to succeed is as a team working together.
It's so easy to get focused on the mundane things, the challenges of day-to-day life.
Faces its toughest problems.
Working for a company that builds spaceships.
I tell them I build spaceships.
You know, a lot of people get excited about spaceships. I think the little kid inside us always...
Look at their purpose and their mission. Is their vision... Okay, so their purpose seems really good. Look at their vision. Their mission. We're the world's first commercial spaceline and vertical integrated aerospace company. With our sister company, the spaceship company, we are developing new generation space vehicles. Okay. These look really cool. This looks really cool as well.
It's a busy flight card. The goal of it.
Let's look at their vision. Let's see their vision. Which is the most important thing when you're investing? We are at the vanguard of a new industry. Reusable space vehicles. Okay, SpaceX, Blue Origin, many other private companies are already doing that. Okay, long term, I'm not sure if this is gonna be a pretty decent investment. I'm sure there are better ones, but long term this might be pretty good. We're this is a Stephen Hawking quote. So let's see if Virgin Galactic see what other people have to say. Let's go to Reddit. I usually trust people on Reddit. Yeah, I really like their tourism component. I agree with him. Yeah, that's true. It is really expensive. You can literally buy like a Lamborghini Urus not with that much money. I'm not sure how well it would do, cause only like really like the wealthy, like high class people can really go And forget about high class. Like a lot of people are scared to actually go into space. Like they have some trust issues. So I'm not sure how they would really do. Yeah, that's really true. They don't have a clear path. Like looking at their mission, they have a good mission, but reusability is something that SpaceX is already doing really well. And just another company is probably gonna put them in a really bad place in the long term. If you're doing something that's not original and there's already competition in the market, it puts you in a really bad spot in the long term. So probably not the best long term investment. Yeah, yeah. Let's look at different companies. I want to look at something new, something that other companies are not doing. Let's look at this company. This is an ETF. Let's see the stock. Oh, wow, it's been doing bad today. Let's see. 5 years. It looks like there were no 5 years. Let's see max. I'm not sure about this one. I'll come back to this. Okay, let's move on to Maxer. I'm pretty sure I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but this is another really good company. Wow, it's been doing bad. Why is it doing bad? Let's research more in this company. So let's see what's new. Their products. Wow. Let's see. Let's go ahead and look at Reddit. Whose market cap is 2 billion. Which is pretty not that bad. Yeah, I do think Maxar might be my final decision, but looking at the Reddit, it seems like all these Canadian investor people, really do like Maxar. Okay, it's a good long-term investment. It's not a really good short-term investment. Oh, the recent law. Oh, what? Maxar Technology is a global. What? It lost a satellite. $103 million. 183. That's crazy. Some images of what that satellite looks like. That's crazy. I think it's undervalued right now, which is pretty good. I feel like let me just research a bit more on Maxer right now, and we can decide whether they're really gonna do well in the future or not. And let's see if these are really good CEOs. Let's see. They're old. Oh wait, Maxer. They're not worth more than $5, which is pretty sad. I feel like this is not a really good company right now for trading, but I mean for a long-term investment, it's not bad. Let's probably look at different companies. Aerojet going. Okay. So Maxer is selected to start studies on building components for a lunar lander. Okay, I feel like Maxer really does have a lot of potential. I feel like this might be a good investment. This space, I don't even think SpaceX is public yet. Let me see. Oh wow, this is expensive. Let's see, 5 years. Oh, it's I think it might go back to this value of over $300, $450. Let's see its max. See how it has been doing. Shot up. Let's see, United. Blue Vision. Okay. Let's see this. Yeah, it may be undervalued. That's true. So I feel like this might be my choice, Maxer. Or Virgin Galactic. Let's see. Oh, wow. That's crazy. If I invested $3 into Tesla, if I invested like $250, I would have made bank. Okay, so I think with my research, I think Maxer, or however you pronounce it, might be a really good long-term investment choice. So yeah, that's gonna end it for today's video. I was just researching some good, companies to invest in, especially space exploration companies. It's not really a tutorial or anything. It's just like a video that you can watch along and research with me. So yeah, that's gonna end it. See you.